Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I prepare my cabbage stew. And this cabbage stew, I'm going to be preparing it with ripe plantain. Please guys, if you want to know how I came about with this yummy stew, please just stay tuned and I'll be right back. Yeah, to prepare my cabbage stew, the first thing I'm going to be doing is to take off this thick outer shell of the cabbage. After I take it off, then I will cut it into two half. Then I slice the cabbage into smaller slices. Then after I'm done slicing my cabbage, I will just go ahead and wash it. It's fried. I'm just going in now with my tomatoes. After frying my tomatoes for some time until they are shrink, then I will go in now with my cabbage and I will stir it very well for the cabbage and the sauce to marinate, to mix or to marinate, whatever. After I'm done, I will leave it again to cook. Normally some people, they don't want their cabbage to be very soft, and some people, it all depends on what you want. As for me, I just want it to be not soft and not too hard, so I will leave it again. Once I'm done mixing, I'll just cover it for about 10 minutes for the cabbage to cook very well to my satisfaction. Now, yeah, my cabbage and my plantain is ready. Thank you all guys for watching. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to thumbs up, like and share. Thank you so much. And up there you will see two other videos. Please don't forget, just click any of them and watch it. God bless you. Bye bye.